This is UFC 101.92, 5 times. Here we go. Random weight class. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is strawweight, bottom is welterweight. In fact, 5 times. While I message Brian Gray asking for another COA, I may just try and get him to create cards that have dates with Madeleine Petsch on them. I think that'd be a good idea. I think they'd sell well, and I'd buy all of them. Every single one. One pops up on the internet, I'm buying it. Someone gets one, doesn't sell it to me. All right, Peter Yan, Cannonier, Hamzat, Silva, Sean O'Malley, Chris Daukaus, Amanda Nunes, Juliana Pena. Red, Jan Blachowicz to 109. Dear Mr. Brian Gray. At the moment, no one is doing Riverdale cards. And listen, Nagano to 109. Valentin Shevchenko. Silver or red? That's a red to 109, Merab Devashli. Sugar Sean, Francis Ngannou, Masvidal, Amanda Nunes. Excellent. Umar Nurmagomedov, Stephen Wonderboy Thompson, Cyril Gahn, Carla Esparza. Here comes the pain, Brock Lesnar, Zhang Weili to 99. 3 minutes behind, geez, Misha Tate and Peter Yan. Thank you, idiot. Ian Gary, to 49, Kamaru Usman. Pre-head wound, Peter Yan. And a blue, Colby Covington to 99. Zhang Weili, Rose Namajunas, Conor McGregor. Corey Sandhagen, Gilby Burns, Amanda Nunes, Valentina Shevchenko, Rose Namajunas. To 109, Khabib Nurmagomedov, Masvidal, and Justin Gaethje. Chang Sung Jun, Jose Aldo, Ian Gary, and auto of Chris Daukaus. Season ticket. Zhang Weili, Rose Namajunas, Peter Yan, and 249, it is Sugar Sean O'Malley. That is UFC 101.92. When do you reckon we